Now, in this question, you have been given that there are m terms inserted between 1 and 31, right? So between 1 and 31, there are m terms uh, inserted so that this entire sequence is now an AP. That means how many terms are there total? There are total m plus 2 terms, right? M terms you have inserted and 1 and 31 or between 1 and 31. So m plus 2 terms total. Second information is given that now in that AP, the ratio of 7th term is to m minus 1th term is 5 is to 9. So you have to find m. So let's solve it. This simply means that this is m plus 2th term, right? So that means a plus m plus 2, that is m plus 2th term we are finding, minus 1 into d is equal to 31, right? And even a is 1. So if you substitute that, you will get 1 plus m plus 1 into d is equals to 31, m plus 1, sorry. Okay, so that means m plus 1 into d is 30, or that means that you have the value of d in terms of m. So what is d? D is 30 divided by m plus 1, right? Now this is the value of d. Obviously it is in terms of m at present because we don't have the all data right now. All the data right now we don't have. Okay, now what's next? The ratio of 7th term and m minus 1th term. Now remember, the 7th term is actually, that is A7, the ratio of 7th term, or not the 7th term of AP. It says out of those m numbers, the ratio of 7th and m minus 1th number. These are not the 7th term of the series. No, it is the 7th number of the numbers which you have inserted in between. So the 7th number in those m numbers will be nothing but 8th number. So if you see from the series perspective, this is A8 divided by A m. I hope you understood, right? So this is A8 is to A m, which is equal to 5 is to 9. As you can see, the second number is first number of the first number which you have inserted is second number of the series. Third number is second number is third number of the series. Third number is fourth term of the series. Fifth, I mean, this is the fourth number, right? So number 4 is actually fifth number or fifth term of the series. So that means m minus 1 will be actually mth number of the or mth term of the series, right? If there is any doubt, you can stop here for some time, pause, take a pause, go through this again, try to convince yourself, try to understand, take your time and try to understand this, then move to the next step. Because once that is done, there is nothing left here. Now you just have to substitute the values. So A8 will be what? A8 will be A plus 7D. And what will be AM? That will be A plus M minus 1 into D. And what is that equal to? That is equal to 5 by 9. Now you just substitute the value of D from here. So that means A plus 7 into 30 divided by M plus 1. Correct? Into 9. I am doing the cross multiplication at the same time. That is equals to 5 into A plus m minus 1 into d, and d is what? 30 divided by m plus 1. Okay, if you will simplify this, you will get, and what is a? Even a value you can substitute. A value is 1, the first number of the series. So let me do it here itself. A is 1. So there are few substitutions or few things which we have done here in single step. We have done the cross multiplication first, then we have substituted the value of d, and then we also have substituted the value of a. So these are the things which we have done. So once you do all this, this is what you will get. Okay. So this simply means what? 9 into m plus 1 plus 210, right, divided by m plus 1. This is equal to 5 into m plus 1 plus 30m minus 30. All this divided by m plus 1. So you can simply cancel this m plus 1 out. What you will have now is 211 plus m into 9. That is equal to 31m minus 29, right, into 5. So you can see you will get a simple linear equation, right, in terms of m, and you just have to simplify that and you will get the value of m. So 211 into 9, that is 1899 plus 9m, that is equals to 155m minus 29 into 5. 29 into 5 will be 30 into 5 minus 5, 145. Okay, that's all. So that means 155 minus 9, 146m is equals to 1899 minus 145, and that will be equal to, sorry, plus, right? So 1900 plus 145 minus 1, that will be equals to 2044. So m is equal to 2044 divided by 146. This will be equal to 146, sorry, 50 plus 4, 54. Yeah, 584. So here the value of m will be 14. So this is our required answer. Okay, so in this problem, the only thing we have to understand is the numbers and the term, the numbers which you are entering, and it's how is it linked with the number of terms in a series, right? So there are m plus m numbers which are inserted. So if it is fifth number, we are talking about fifth number, right? Fifth among the numbers which are inserted. So that is actually sixth number in the series in the AP. So that is what we have to be careful about.